सुप्रीम कोर्ट पालन करुछि हीरक जयंती और यही अवसर में एक स्वतंत्र कार्यक्रम आयोजन करा जायछि। नजर पकाइबा एहार सीधा प्रसारण उपरे।
Ensuring better accessibility for differently abled users. On the National Judicial Data Grid, a repository of nationwide judicial data, information on 3,256 countrywide courts, the High Courts, and the Supreme Court of India is now a click away. Just as we make our courts tech-savvy, we must also realize that India is going through a period of social and demographic transformation. Anyone who visits India will notice a striking feature of the changing demographics of the nation. Now, women can be seen in important positions across India, whether it be in the operation theatres, the borders of the nation, in the high skies as fighter pilots, in the seas as naval commanding officers, all across the country and of course in the Supreme Court. There is a focus on greater inclusion of the marginalized sections of society. Equally inspiring is the confidence of the younger population to succeed in their professional lives. Traditionally, the legal profession was a profession of elite men. Times have changed. Women traditionally underrepresented in the profession now constitute 36.3% of the working strength of the district judiciary. In the recruitment examinations for junior civil judges conducted in several states, namely Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, more than 50% of the selected candidates were women recently. In the Supreme Court of India, we hire law clerks cum research associates to assist the judges, out of which 41% candidates are women this year. We as judges and administrations cannot be ignorant of these rising aspirations. Before the beginning of 2024, only 12 women were designated as senior advocates in the history of the Supreme Court over the last 74 years. Last week, the Supreme Court designated 11 women coming from different parts of the country as senior advocates in one selection. Our legitimacy will endure from the inclusion of diverse sections of the population in our system. Therefore, we need to make more efforts to bring different sections of society into the legal profession. For instance, the representation of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes is quite low, both at the bar as well as on the bench.